I'm excited to share to you. Oh my god! Oh my god! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, we will unbox something again. I'm super excited kasi this is my second VOXBOX from Influenster. If you watch my last video about Influencer, I received my first VOXBOX on that video. I was sharing to you guys how you can get this free products from Influenster. You just download the app, just follow whatever instructions, and you can receive a free products. So that was my first VOXBOX last month, so December. And this time guys, this month, January 2020, I received another box again from them. I'm kind of surprised because I didn't expect this coming guys, because last month when I received my first VOXBOX, they sent me an email saying that congratulations, you're gonna be receiving this product like this. This time wala talaga akong email na natanggap, so I was surprised, like what is this? Where's this one come from? Let's open this. I'm excited, and I'm excited to share to you. Oh my god, I already saw it. Look, oh my goodness guys, what is this? So that means this is not a makeup product or skincare guys, obviously, right? So oh my god guys, oh my god, now I'm super excited. What is this? Okay, that's the box looks like guys. It says own your zone. I wonder what is this. Influencer. Yes, there you go. Now let's see. Okay, oh, so this one guys is not for me, this is for men. That's what it looks like guys. You can see over there, it's for him. I got the green one, so it says charge. Biko, guess what I received from Influencer?
What is it?
Yodi toilet.
What the oh?
It's for you. So it's not for me, because it's for a guy. Smell it. Let's see. I want you to open this because this is for you. Is it smell good? Wow, fancy. It says charge. Okay, smell it.
Hey,
Smell it first.
That?
How does it smell? It's not bad. It's sporty. I like it.
Yeah.
Is
It
it?
reminds me of the Burberry.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, I like it. There you go guys. This is the Charge Adidas for him Yodi toilet. Smells so good guys. I'm happy with this one though. Although this is not for me, I cannot use it, but at least this is for my husband and he can use this one. And he said he likes this one. It reminds him of the Burberry Sport. But this one is so good. It smells so good guys. See, I told you, Influencer, they can send you anything. It's not just makeup, it's not just skincare. You can also receive other things like this one. This is for my husband, you know, and it's free guys. So asan ka pa? Yeah guys, so that's it for today's video guys, and I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye guys.